Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Meta's anti-fake account measures, Apple Watch Series 9 product Red launch, WhatsApp's username search feature in development, Blue Sky's content moderation tools and functionality update, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Facebook and Meta joined forces to combat the rising issue of fake accounts causing political tension and spreading hate content in the US. Meta takes action by shutting down approximately 4,800 accounts originating from China but falsely presenting themselves as Americans. Fake accounts were actively resharing content from X, formerly Twitter, created by politicians and news outlets, reflecting a concerning misuse of social platforms. The fraudulent accounts were involved in disseminating pro-Chinese content related to Tibet and India, emphasizing the potential redirection of fake networks to new targets. The takedown of fake accounts raises concern globally, especially in India gearing up for general elections, highlighting the global battle against fake news and misinformation. Next we have Apple introduces the Apple Watch Series 9 in a vibrant red color as part of its partnership with Red to support the Global Fund's efforts against HIV/AIDS. A portion of proceeds from each product Red purchase aids the Global Fund's initiatives against AIDS and COVID-19. Apple pledges to contribute $1 for every Apple Pay purchase until 8 December, providing support for antiretroviral treatment and HIV testing. The Apple Watch Series 9, powered by the Apple S9 chip, introduces new features like fast charge support, on-device Siri, and a gesture-based double tap. The device boasts a new display reaching 2000 nits peak brightness, powered by the S9 processor's 4-core neural engine, enhancing user experience. WhatsApp, under Meta's ownership, is working on a feature allowing users to search and connect with others using a distinct username. The feature aims to reduce reliance on phone numbers, enhancing privacy and user control over personal information. Users have the option to configure a username at any time, providing an additional layer of privacy and anonymity. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg introduces a secret code feature for chat lock, adding an extra layer of privacy to protect sensitive chat. The username search feature is particularly beneficial for users who prioritize anonymity, offering a strong layer of privacy in the messaging app. OnePlus 12 introduces a third color option featuring a sleek dark silver camera hump and a white finish visible in official preview shots. Leaks suggest a potential gloss and chrome effect in the white silver version, with an alternative marble effect green finish for consumer choice. The OnePlus 12, set to launch on 5th December 2023, promises an ultra-bright display, a 5400 mAh battery, 50-watt wireless charging, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Hasselblad camera tunings, a Genshin Impact custom gift box, and the Marble Odyssey Special Edition contribute to the device premium features. Leaked images dispel doubts, confirming the presence of the popular hardware toggle, the alert slider, in the OnePlus 12. Blue Sky, supported by Jack Dorsey, introduces automated tools to identify and flag content violating community guidelines. Reintroducing the option for users to report their own post aids in rectifying inaccurate labels and improve content moderation. Blue Sky unveils user list and moderation list, offering generic and personalized compilations for efficient user interaction. Unlike Twitter, Blue Sky's holding structure involves the founding team focused on researching open and decentralized network technologies. The Blue Sky project aims to create a universal protocol allowing existing social networks to offer customized offerings without a central authority. Next up we have Xiaomi confirms the certification of the Redmi 13R 5G, indicating support for Bluetooth 5.3 and adherence to quality standards. The device is expected to run on Android 13 with Xiaomi's MIUI 14 custom skin, ensuring a modern and customizable user experience. Anticipated to launch in India at a starting price of Rs 6,999, the Redmi 13R 5G aims to provide a budget-friendly option for consumers, featuring a teardrop notch display, 90Hz refresh rate, and a powerful 50-megapixel rear camera. It promises a compelling visual and photographic experience. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC, the device is set to deliver reliable performance within its budget segment. At last, the OnePlus Open undergoes a rigorous test showcasing 20% more impact resistance than Gorilla Glass Victus, emphasizing durability. Minimal scratches on the outer screen and resilience of the ultra-thin glass inner screen highlight the device's robust build. While the aluminum side frame is vulnerable, the commendable strength of the rear panel contributes to overall durability. The OLED external display withstands an open flame for 10 seconds, showcasing the device's resilience in challenging conditions. The ability to endure up to 1 million folds signals a significant leap forward, setting a new durability standard in the foldable smartphone landscape. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।